Assalamu alaikum students of class 7th. Today I'll be reading the lesson number 4, which is a poem by H.W. Longfellow, and the title is Rain in Summer. So let's start. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours, and swift and wide with a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter roars the rain. We welcome rain. That's all. Allah Hafiz.